In this question it is saying a rock is thrown vertically upward from ground level at time t equal to 0. At t equal to 1.5 second, it passes the top of a tall tower, and 1 second later it reaches its maximum height. What is the height of the tower? Okay, so I'm drawing the situation here. So assume this is the maximum height, this is the ground level I am assuming, and this is the tower. I am assuming this height of the tower as capital H, and here at this point the time is 1.5 second. So for this rock which has been thrown upwards with a speed of u, and it has reached a speed of v equals 0 at its maximum height, and it is given that it has taken 1 second more after this 1.5 seconds, so this time will be 1 second. So to reach the maximum height, it has taken almost 2.5 seconds in total, right? So what we can do, we can write the equation of first equation basically, just to find out this value of u. Okay, and we know this gravity is working downwards, so we can write v equals u plus at, right? V is given as 0, u minus g, and here if we want to take the t, since we are taking the complete height, this one from here to here, so we have to take the total time, which is 1.5 second plus 1 second, which is 2.5 second. So we have put it this 2.5, so we will get a value of u as 2.5 g, right? Now I can we have to calculate this height h, right? So I'm writing the second equation, s equals ut plus half at square, right? This s is here given as h, this u we have already calculated as 2.5 g, this t, the time taken to reach this h height, is 1.5 second. So I am taking 2.5 g into 1.5 minus 1 by 2 g, since gravity is acting downwards and u is in upward direction, and again t square, so here it will be 1.5 square. So if we calculate this value, we will get an approximate value of 25.75 meter if we feed g equals 9.81, right? So this will be our final answer.